So, feast your eyes on Cloud9's layered chocolate meringue. So this one's got a beautiful airy chocolate mousse in it and finished with a nice thin ganache. Although obviously it's a beautiful chocolatey slice of cake, it's actually quite light, a few different textures in there and kind of the perfect slice for a guilt-free afternoon. Finish it up with nice little bit of strawberry, I reckon. And over here we've got our hot Belgian chocolate. Your choice of milk or dark, but we're going with milk today. Who wants some hot chocolate to begin with? Yes? Alright, let's take this all around. Amazing.
Hot chocolate's really yummy. It's like just liquid chocolate.